which was completely based on what is the meaning of multiplication, right? And we also saw that in that video that how the multiplication tables have been made, किस तरह से वो multiplication tables बनते हैं, right? We have seen all those things there. Now, let's wait for the, as I said, I don't want a single chat to the chat box. Nobody will be responding to the chat box. Your entire attention should be the screen, should be towards the screen. What the teachers are telling, listen that very carefully, watch it very carefully, observe it very carefully. Then you will understand what exactly teachers are teaching here. Okay. So let's move further, dear children, now. Okay. Now I'll be proceeding for a 5 times table, right? 5 times. So yesterday we saw that table of 2, right? Yesterday we learned table of 2. So now I'm taking example of 5, table of 5. Please observe the table. So this is, you all know that this is the multiplication symbol. Okay, this is this cross is the multiplication symbol. Okay, this cross is multiplication symbol. So how you will be reading that? 5 multiplied by 0. If you want to read this, if you want to read it, how you will be reading it? 5 multiplied by 0, 5 into 0. Okay, so it's a request, all of you, please listen it carefully. How you'll be reading this sum? How you will be reading this sum? You'll be reading this way. Number 1, 5 multiplied by 0, or second, how to read second time? 5 into 0. Getting my point? Okay, 5 multiplied by 0 and 5 into 0. This way we are reading multiplication sums. Okay, so here 5 into 0, the answer is 0. Now if you add 5 0 times, if you add 5 how many times? 0 times. Add 5 0 times. What answer you will get? You will get answer 0. Adding 5 0 times, that means you are not adding anything. Right now, adding 5 0 times, that means you're not adding anything. You're not adding 5, right? So 5 into 0, what will be there? Answer will be 0. Okay, now 5 into 1 is equal to 5. See here, 5 into 1, this, I'm talking about this. Particularly, specifically, I'm talking about this now. Now 5 into 1, the answer is given 5. Okay, 5 into 1 is equal to 5. How? Now the meaning of is this, that 5 multiplied by 1 or 5 into 1, what is the exact meaning of this? Add 5 one time. Okay, add only one time. Now add 5 one time, what answer you will get? 5 को बस एक बार add करो. Okay, 5 rupees, 5 chocolates. Add 5 one time. What answer you will be getting? Only 5. Right? Now see the below. See the below now. 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Now what is the meaning of this 5 into 2? What is the exact meaning of it? Now the meaning of this sum is that add 5 2 times. Okay, add 5 how many times? 2 times. That means 5 plus 5. See, we have added 5 here 2 times, isn't it? So 5 plus 5, what answer you'll be getting? 10, right? 5 plus 5, 10. See, the answer is 10. That means 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Add 5 2 times. If you add 5 2 times, then you will be getting answer 10. 5 into 3. or 5 multiplied by 3. What answer you'll be getting? 5 into 3, it's 15. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. If you add 5 4 times, then what answer you'll be getting? 20. After adding 5 4 times, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. See, I have added 5 how many times here? How many times? 5 times. See, sorry, 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have added here 5 how many times? 4 times. And if you calculate this sum, if you calculate all these 5 numbers, these 4 numbers, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, you're getting answer 20. Got it? That means 5 into 4, add 5 4 times. Add 5 4 times. The answer is 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. That means add 5 5 times. Then you'll be getting answer 25. 5 into 6. Add 5 how many times? Add 5 into 6. Add 5 6 times. Add 5 6 times. Then you will be getting answer 30. That means 5 multiplied by 6. The answer is 30. 5 into 7 or 5 multiplied by 7. The answer is 35. 5 multiplied by 8. Add 5. How many times? It's 8 times. Add 5 8 times. Add 5 8 times. Then what answer you'll be getting? The answer will be 40. And 5 multiplied by 9. That means 5 into 9. Add 5. How many times? 9 times. Add 5 9 times is equal to 45. That means 5 multiplied by 9 is equal to 45, or 5 into 9, the answer is 45. And the last, 5 multiplied by 10 or 5 multiplied 5 into 10 is equal to 50. What is the exact meaning of 5 into 10? That means add 5 how many times? 10 times. Add 5 10 times. Add 5 10 times. The answer is 50. Getting my point? So you may have understood that how the tables have been made. हम लोग जो बोलते हैं 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, right? So this is the way the tables have been made. If you add the numbers again and again, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, 7 time, 8 time, 9 time, and 10 time. This way the tables have been made. So you can also make the tables as your own, right? If you add the numbers, then you can also make it. Suppose for example 3. If you take the table of 3, okay, wait a minute. If you take the table of 3, I'll be telling you. It's a request to all of you. Please pay attention here. Tanushri, sit straight. I sit straight. Everybody will be sitting straight. And please put off your videos, all of you. Please put off your videos. Put off your videos. Teacher Maya, please see that the videos have been switched off.
Yes.
Now, we will be taking example of 3, table of third. Now see. Now table of 3. Now I'll be starting from 0. I'll first add 3 0 time. That means 3 into 0. Okay, 3 into 0. What is the exact meaning of this 3 into 0? Add 3. Okay, add 3 0 times. What is the exact meaning of this? Add 3 how many times? 3 times. That means we don't want to add anything. 0 time means what? एक भी बार नहीं. Don't add 3 anytime. Okay, 3 into 0. The meaning of this, don't add anything 0 time. Don't add 3 no time. हमें ऐड ही नहीं करना है 3 को. अगर हम लोग ऐड ही नहीं करते तो क्या बचेगा वहां पे? Exactly will be 0. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. I would like to tell you that this is called the horizontal arrangement of multiplication. This is called the horizontal arrangement of multiplication. This sum we can write it in vertical arrangement also. The same sum, the same multiplication problem, we can write it in a vertical arrangement also. How? How will be writing it in vertical arrangement? Please pay attention now. See, 3 into 0. This is the vertical arrangement of multiplication. Okay, so the same way 3 multiplied by 0 means 0. Getting my point? So this is the vertical arrangement of multiplication. This is the vertical arrangement of multiplication. And this is, this is the horizontal arrangement of multiplication. This is the horizontal arrangement of multiplication. And now, which is given below this, where I am circled, this is the vertical arrangement of multiplication. Getting my dear, getting you, all of you? Okay, so let's proceed further now. In one example, and then I'll be proceeding further. 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, 3 multiplied by 4. This is the horizontal arrangement. I have written in horizontal arrangement. And now one more arrangement I have said you that 3 multiplied the vertical arrangement. Okay, horizontal arrangement and what is arrangement. So now what is the exact meaning of this? 3 multiplied by 4 means what? The meaning of this is simple. Add 3. Add this 3. Okay, add this 3. How many times? 3 multiplied by 4. Add this 3. How many times you'll be adding it? 4 times. Add 8 4 times. Okay, children. So let's add 3 4 times. That means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. See, I have added here 3. How many times? 4. 2, 3, 4. Add 3 4 times. So what answer you'll be getting after adding 3 4 times? What answer you'll be getting after adding 3 4 times? See, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 6. Now 3 plus 3, 6, plus 3, 9, and 9 plus 3, it's 12. Okay, so after adding 3 4 times, we got answer 12. We got answer 12. So what is the answer of 3 into 4? Or what is the answer of 3 multiplied by 4? The answer is 12. Okay, so this is the relation in between the multiplication and addition. Got it? Now, I was telling you that we'll be making a table of 3. Now, first we will add it 0 time, then we'll be adding it 1 time, we'll be adding it 2 time, we'll be adding it 3 time, we'll be adding it 4 time, then we'll be adding 5 time till 10. Till 10, till number 10, we'll be adding it. Okay, let's see now. 3 into 0. That means add 3 0 time. What is the answer? Is 0. Exactly. Now, 3 times 1. Add 3. How many times? Add 3. How many times? 1 time. So after adding, it's 3. 3 times 1. Okay, add 3 1 time. Then 2 2 add 3 2 time. That means 3 plus 3. What is the answer after adding 3 plus 3 what? 3 plus 3? 6. So 3 into 2, that means 6. Point. Okay, let's proceed further. Now 3 into 3. Add 3 3 times. Now what else will be getting after adding 3 times? 3 plus 3 plus 3. Isn't it? 3 plus 3 plus 3. What else will be getting? After adding 3 times, we have added 3 times here. 3 plus 3, 6. And 6 plus 3, 9. Right? So what is the answer of 3 multiplied by 3? Or 3 into 3? It's 9. Getting my point? Now we'll be adding 3 4 times. 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Now, how many times we'll be adding 3? 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We just solved this sum, right? Before few minutes ago. So what if you add 3 4 times, what is the answer? It's 12. Okay, the answer is 12. Now we'll be adding 3 5 times. 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Add 3 how many times? Add 3 5 times. So 3 5s are 15. Now we'll be adding 6 times. 3 into 6. After adding 3 6 times, that means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. After adding 3 6 times, then we'll be getting answer 18. 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. Okay, then 3 multiplied by 7, that means 3 7 times. 3 7 times. 3 sevens are. If you add 3 7 times, if you add 3 how many times? 7 times. That time you will get the answer 21. 3 sevens are 21. Okay, and now 3 multiplied by 8, that means 3 8 times. That means 3 how many times? 8 times. So after adding 3 8 times, after adding 3 how many times? 8 times, you will get answer 24. 3 8s are 24. Okay, now we'll be adding 3 how many times? 9 times. Now let's see. 3 into 9. That is how many times you will be at 3? 9 times. Here we will be adding 3 how many times? 9 times. And after adding we'll be getting answer 27. 3 9. And at last, we'll be adding 3. How many times? 10 times. Adding 3, 10 times. That means 3 by 10. 3 how many times? 10 times. 3 how many times? 10 times. After adding 3 10 times, after adding 3 how many times? 10 times, we will get answer 30. 3 tens are 30. So this is the way, children, you can also make the tables from your side. You can make any table. Okay, just you have to add the numbers. You have to add the numbers 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time, 6 time, 8 time, 9 time, 10 time. Right? And this way you can make any table. आप कोई भी table बना सकते हो. The way we have make here the table of 3. आप कोई भी table बना सकते हो. Just you have to keep on increasing number of addition. Okay, आपको बस क्या करना होगा, एक एक numbers को बढ़ाना होगा. Then you can add, you can make the multiplication tables. So I hope you all have understood till this. If yes, please type in chat box. If you all have understood that, how to make tables, 0, add 5 one time. The answer is 5. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. And 5 into 10 is equal to 50. So this is the way we can make any number table. Table of 9, table of 10, table of 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, any number table. Any number table we can make. Okay, so now we are proceeding further now. The next topic is parts of multiplication. The parts of multiplication. Now what are the parts of multiplication? See, you can see here, this is the vertical arrangement of multiplication, right? The first number is 15. 15 into 2. How you'll be reading this sum? 15 into 30, or in another way you can read it, 15 multiplied by 2 is equal to 30. Okay, so this is the first number, 15. This number is called multiplicand. This number is called multiplicand. In my point, 15 number, this 15 number, what do we call it? It is called multiplicand. See, you can see here, this is the multiplicand given there. Okay, so 15 is a multiplicand. What is 2? 2 is a multiplier. 2 is a multiplier. And 30, whichever answer we get after multiplying the two numbers, that answer is called product. That answer is called product. So multiplicand, multiplier, and product. Multiplicand, multiplier, and product, these three are the parts of the multiplication. These three are the parts of the multiplication. Getting my point? The first number is called multiplicand. Below that number, another second number is called multiplier. And what answer we get after multiplying two numbers? After multiplying two numbers, what answer we get? That is called product. That is called product. So multiplicand, multiplier, and product. Multiplicand, multiplier, and product. These three are the parts of the multiplication. Got it, children? So you should understand that what are the parts of the multiplication. First number जो पहला नंबर होता है उसको कहा जाता है multiplicand, जो दूसरा नंबर होता है उसको कहा जाता है multiplier, and the answer we get, it is called product. Okay, one more. This is the horizontal arrangement. See, this is vertical arrangement. This is vertical, and as I shown you here, this is horizontal arrangement. Get it? Now, as I said, first number is called multiplicand, below number is called multiplier, and what answer we get, it is called product. So here, this 2 is multiplicand, this 3 is multiplier, and this 3 is answer, or we call it product. Okay, so there are 3 parts of multiplication. There are 3 parts of multiplication: multiplicand, multiplier, and product. Got it, children? Okay, so let's proceed further now. I would say that observe it. It's a request to all of you, please observe it. Observe this sum, and observe this sum, again observe this sum, again observe this sum, then observe this sum. Okay, observe this sum. I have told you to observe 5 sums there. How many sums are there? 5 sums. Observe it. Observe it very carefully. Okay, observe it very carefully. So after observing all those 5 sums, you will come to know one point. See, this first sum is 0 multiplied by 2, or 0 into 2. This sum is 4 into 0. This sum is 6 into 0. Answer is 0. See, the first 0 into 2 answer is 0. 4 into 0 answer is 0. 6 into 0 answer is 0. 9 into 0 answer is 0. And this one last one is 2 into 0. Answer is 0. Okay, that we can come to one conclusion that if we multiply any number with 0, okay, are you getting my point? If you understood, all of you? If yes, then please type O in the chat box. O. If you have understood what we have till this time, then please type O in the chat box. O in the chat box. Everyone, I'm waiting for all of you. Please type O in the chat box if you all have understood whatever we have learned till this time. I'm waiting for your answer, children.